It's the cake.
Planet Venus, a symbol of beauty, holds an ugly secret. Our two companions are off to explore the unknowns of what could be a second Earth. Will this adventure be the demise of our brave travelers, or will they get out of this jam in time? Stay tuned in and find out on tonight's Trite Encounters of Captain Basil and Gus.
Ah! What is that smell? It smells like rotten eggs. It's awful. So much for the planet of beauty.
Well, Gus, if you had been doing your research, you would have known that's the smell of sulfuric gas. This yellow haze we encountered in coming into the atmosphere is composed of sulfuric dioxide, which gives it its yellow color.
Oh, okay. Leaping lizards! What's this?
It appears to be an abnormally sized match. Very interesting.
And look, more matches. Well, I have been doing my research, and matches are made with sulfur. Perhaps the atmosphere and the matches have some sort of correlation.
Very good, Gus. But we still don't know what these mean or where they lead.
Well, what do you suggest we do?
What all explorers do, Gus. Explore. So, Gus, what else did you find in your research?
Well, in talking of sulfur, some basic information that you should know is that its atomic number is 16. Its atomic mass, 32.066 grams. It has 16 protons, neutrons, and electrons. Its melting point is 115.21 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is at 444.6 degrees Celsius. It's a non-metal, and when in its normal state, it is solid.
My God. Is that a palace?
Well, what are you waiting for? Explore.
Hello, I am Basil Kessler. And you are?
I am Galena, wise counsel to his greatness, named after the common mineral created when the great one and lead are merged.
And I, Pyrite, after the common mineral found with the combination of the great one and iron. Well, who is the great one you speak of?
Who? Why, it is the one with 6 valence electrons,
And a common charge of -2.
which forms an anion.
Who comes from the family of chalcogen with fellow brother in oxygen, selenium, tellurium, polonium, and unhexium. What? Sulfur?
Bah! He is not just merely sulfur, he is King Sulfur, heir of Lord Sulfur in Sanskrit and Queen Sulfurium of the Latin world.
Oh, well, this great castle must hold a worthy inhabitant.
Oh, yes, it is rather magnificent. He made it in the honor of the one who pronounced him king, Antoine Lavoisier, in 1777. It cost roughly $8 per pound.
What's this commotion about? I was in my sleeping quarters dreaming about fertilizers and a field of white flowers. And you, how dare you breach my walls? I come from Earth and wish to, never you mind. You woke me up and now you will fear my wrath. For I am King Sulfur and the 10th most abundant element in the universe.
Gee golly, what do we do?
You find a weakness. I will fend him off with my brawn.
Okay. I've got it! For impure sulfur, we must demote him with sublimation, and I will grab the vacuum from the ship. Hang on there!
Hurry, Gus. Hurry.
What have you done? Our government is out of order.
You, purple and gold one, I favor you. You shall lead Venus out of this disorder and into the bright future that awaits.
Why me?
Do not question. Just do. I must be departing from Mars now. I have complete faith in you. I bid you farewell.
Bye.
Our companions have made it safely out of this predicament, but what happens when they have no fuel? What will they do fending for themselves on a strange, uncharted planet? Tune in 6th period for our next installment of Trite Encounters of Captain Basil and